It's almost 7 a.m. Gotta get the Lexus out of the way and take the 4C for some maintenance. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it is early, just about 7 a.m. here in the Bay Area. Yeah, I didn't realize, like, when it's that early, this 4C sounds pretty loud at startup. It's not the loudest car when you start it up, but yeah, definitely that rumble at, earlier than 7 a.m. in the neighborhood I'm in it's kind of loud, so sorry neighbors. But anyways, yeah, headed to Track Spec. If you've been with the channel for a while, you know that Track Spec is where I got my exhaust installed for the 4C. They specialize in Lotuses, but I trust their work. I've seen their work. I know it's not the only 4C they've worked on, so yeah, they're just gonna do the basic maintenance on it. But of course, we know the 4C, there's nothing too basic with it. So yeah, and hopefully we'll check out some really nice cars when we're there. Look at this weather. Yeah, it is super overcast, a bit foggy as well. Here we are, Track Spec, and ooh, you can see from here all the beautiful cars they got in there. Cool, here we are, yeah, Track Spec, and yeah, 7 a.m. they're already pulling it in. And it's always nice to see my car in motion, but I rarely get the chance just because I'm always behind the wheel, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. I should change the license plate lights. Yeah, look at this R. Yeah. See, the GTI is a lot, but not the R. Ooh, look at that. This one's really sick. Ooh, look at all that. Look at this one. No passenger in this one at all. Completely raced out. So sick. Like we got an E46 over there, and look at this thing completely lifted open. It's a beautiful color. Yeah, check out their view from their office window. Look at that. As soon as you look out, you got all these beauties, and then yeah, you got a view of my 4C up there already doing work. Man, super nice Lotuses out here. All right, now while they are in there working on the 4C, yeah, they're going fast, but I'm still gonna meet up with a friend. Well, actually, a friend's picking me up. You saw her on the channel last year when we started up a Ferrari 458 and a Porsche GT3 or 2RS. I can't remember which one it was, but yeah, check out this Type R. Well, yeah, she should be here soon. I'm gonna grab some breakfast and coffee. But yeah, Track Spec, beautiful place. We'll be back in a little bit. Ooh, there she is. Check it out, her beautiful Mercedes Benz. Gonna ride in luxury. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. Hi, Kathy. Hi. Guess what we ordered? Phil's, of course. Look at this, just guessing our way through San Jose. That's all right. We got time. Huh? Not quite San Francisco, but still nice. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Wait, is this the street that people would cruise on? That's old school, yeah. That's nice. Never noticed that. Ooh, beautiful Mercedes. Whoop. All right, coffee time. Look at the Phil's here in San Jose. Has San Francisco Mission District part. All right, Phil's in hand. Mercedes Benz. Let's go. Hell yeah, sweet maple. Gonna get some bacon. What do we got so far? Deep fried French toast, loco moco, mimosas. Yeah, because it's my birthday week. There we go, Millionaire's bacon. And it's like, look at that. 4 kinds. Oh yeah. There we go, this is what I'm having. Hemingway. Woo. Yeah, it's a Type R. But yeah, there it is. Oh, right next to a Lotus too. It actually looks somewhat similar. No wonder sometimes people think it's a Lotus.
Looks hella similar from the outside.
Bye, Kathy. Bye. There we go. Nice Benz. There's this Lotus. Oh, and they got the Breakfast Club Rally stickers on there. Shout out to Breakfast Club Rally. And then we got mine. I need to get a Breakfast Club Rally sticker. But yeah, time to get my mask on. Cool, all done here. Track Spec, beautiful vehicles, beautiful Lotuses. And yeah, look at this. I left my fills up here because I needed both my hands and I didn't have my car key. Ooh, I think it's sprinkling slightly, but yep. Ooh, everything checked out good. Don't have to do anything else. Just regular maintenance. Ooh, listen to that. Yeah, that sounds really good actually. Oh, I already knew that, but yeah, check out the differences on the lease and yeah, the 4C. I mean, I could totally see how some people would mistake these two. I've actually heard people say like, oh yeah, that's a Lotus, when people are like, what is that? Or people will be like, Alfa Romeo, what? But yeah, you haven't seen my engine cover? Whew. All right, let's hit the road. All right, back home, and I just want to share with you guys the invoice that I got from Track Spec, just so you guys know kind of like if you take your car or your 4C, not just any car, if you take your Alfa Romeo 4C to a non-Alfa Romeo shop, shop that specializes in another type of car, what that price would be for some maintenance. So I'll just break it down here for you guys. So they got drain and fill engine oil, replace oil filter, inspect vehicle at $150. Oil filter for the Alfa Romeo 4C at $33. The oil at $14 a quart, so it comes out to $84. Hazardous waste, $10. Also asked for some more inspections of the car, so that's another $150. And tire rotation at $45. The total coming up to $484 and some change. And yeah, if you guys watched my video of going to Alfa Romeo to try to get an oil change, yeah, I would have gotten a great deal. I wouldn't have gotten all these things done that is on this list, but the oil change itself would have dropped dramatically. But that was because they had to honor a coupon that I basically, you know, asked them to honor, and there was just some conflict. Well, some conflict. It was more I could have left the car, but they just changed their mind from like doing it right then and there to having me leave the car and pick it up like 3 or 4 days later, which is ridiculous for an oil change, right? Especially since they didn't tell me since I got there. Anyways, I'll link that video below so you could see what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about Track Spec there. Track Spec, man, they are very organized. They are, again, the ones that did the install of my exhaust, the Capristo exhaust on the Alfa Romeo 4C. I'll link that video below as well. Now, a breakdown of the inspections that they did, I'll go and list those off. And we got the brake pads, the brake rotors, the brake lines, the tire tread, the wear, the tire pressure, check for fluid leaks, the wheel bearings. They even go as far as like checking if they make sure they didn't leave any fingerprints or things like that on the wheels. Like, but that's more of like not an inspection of the car, but like, you know, after they're done working on it. So, wheel torque to factory spec, and add mileage in and out, and tire pressure. What? I don't know what that means. Anyways, yeah, and everything they checked comes out green. The car really doesn't need anything else. Now, the next big thing I need to do to that 4C, or at least what I'm hearing from the 4C community, is the water pump and the timing belt. So just because I trust these guys a lot, they may not have the tool to do this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some further research on getting that done. They'll get me a quote. They'll see if we get the tool. Who knows, maybe they can start working on some 4Cs, maybe someone else to go to. I'm telling you guys, out of the places I've taken the 4C, these guys, again, since they're not necessarily a specialist, they work on Lotuses. I know they're not the same. They work on Toyota and Honda engines, but these guys are very organized, very clean, very reliable and true to their word, and they take a lot of pride in their work. These are real, you know, car guys that are there that race and work on their own cars and work on other people's cars and do an excellent job. So I trust them, and I really want them to be able to work on this car. So we're gonna see if that's something they can do for me. Anyways, yeah, that's gonna do it for today. Hope you guys did enjoy the video, the food vlog part of it, and all the nice Lotuses and the 4C. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give that a thumbs up, share with anyone that might like this type of content. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll talk to you guys later.